On the other day, I had shared my experience on how it is quick and easy to open a Demat account with Zerodha. Actually, the idea of opening a Demat account with Zerodha has come from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Uh, in in one of the chapters of the book, James mentioned that in order to avoid bad habits, we need to make that bad habits attractive. So what do you mean by making that attractive? Let us understand with an example. Let's say if you have a bad habit of investing in buying electronic items, uh, like iPhone 12, 13, so on and so forth, which may or may not be useful to you. It's just habit of buying next version of iPhone. So what is stated in the book is, in order to avoid that buying, what we call this buying compulsion or temptation, it is better to invest that same amount in a different bank account, which can be used for important activities like recreation or a vacation, which you may not have taken for a long time. Yeah. So how is it related to Zerodha? So my idea of opening Demat account with Zerodha is, I also have tendency of going to a restaurant now and then. During the day, sometimes I just would like to walk into a restaurant and have a good food. So what I have decided is, and that was for me, that habit was not easy to break. So what I have decided is that whatever the amount I would spend on paying to the restaurant, I will transfer the same amount to my Zerodha account and buy any stock. So this makes the proposition very attractive, wherein my the bad habit of not going to of going to restaurant is avoided, and also the money is saved for a prospective future use. In my case, I would be using that small amount maybe for my vacation or recreation. So hope this video is useful to you. This is CA Jitendra Patel signing out. See you in my next video.